Okay, so guys, guess what? So like 5 minutes ago, I just made that smooth landing with that Cathay Pacific 747, and I said that my next smooth landing would be a Qantas a380, and guess what? It happened. So I'm gonna show you this replay. First from the left side. Dude, I just cannot believe this. I have to make a compilation. Again, it was a little bit short of the runway. The next one I'll try to do is Airbus A321. Oh, Thomas Cook. Yeah. Okay, the right wing. Left wing. Bottom. The bottom is like my favorite. Actually, the side is my favorite. Either of the sides, and this is my second favorite. Tail. Wait, actually. Okay, now scenic. Now free. Whatever this is. Okay. Yeah, that was nice. Overhead. Tower. So that's gonna do it for today, guys. I gotta charge my phone because it's at 14%. Did you know that your battery can explode while you're on it and it's on the charger? So don't be on your phone too much while it's on the charger. But it's a very low chance that it will explode, but still, you never know what'll happen. So, bye.